Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of
Chicks,
Dicks,
and Dicks.
Today we're going to actually be going over a sensitive topic. What is something you guys would love to unlearn? Jenny?
That's a good one.
I thought about something really sincere. I was like, you know what? Let's go over something maybe a little touching. You know, what would you love to unlearn, Jenny?
How to stop being a people pleaser.
I think that's a problem for most people, including me.
It's because when you're raised in like an ethnic family, you're always taught to basically say yes to people, do this for people, don't ever ask for anything in return. I feel like as you grow up, it just makes you put yourself on the back burner. Like through your life, you're trying to make other people happy rather than yourself happy. Mm-hmm. And I feel like a lot of us need to kind of unlearn that. Kind of know that if people are treating you kind, of course, treat them kind. If they're doing for you, then that's fine. Keep doing for them. But if it's just a one-sided thing, don't be such a people pleaser. Know when to put your foot down, when to set boundaries, and when to be fuck off. Not everybody deserves the same treatment that you're giving them. And I feel like it takes a lot to unlearn that because you want to always say yes to people because you don't want to let them down. But you have to learn that sometimes you need to set your own boundaries in life.
Yeah. Damn, I felt that. Ooh.
Have you ever had that happen to you, Mark? Have you ever been a people pleaser?
All the time. And, I don't like letting people down, but I would see the effect that it would do to me. I'm like, damn, I should have never done that. And I really get nothing in return, I would let myself down. Let's just say that. I'm still learning till this day to stop being a people pleaser. I'm glad you brought that up because that's something I'm still fighting till this day.
I feel like a lot of people are fighting that. A lot of people, Filipinos and Latinos alike, we like to say yes, 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 yes. And that's how we're taught. Say yes to people. Do this for people. You come last, especially in their culture where it's you have to
provide,
be submissive, which fuck that. Be submissive, say yes, 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 yes. Yes, master. And it's no, that only gets you so far. You just get walked all over.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Yeah.
Some people don't appreciate nice gestures and they take advantage of people's kindness.
Exactly. Oh, man. All the time. That happened to me growing up. I would please every single of my friends knowing that I had no benefit from it. All the time. Hey, bro, can you pick me up? I got no car. I should have said, take the fucking bus, bro. But instead, I was like, where are you? I'm in Riverside. I was like, all right, fine, I'll go get you, But then it would ruin my whole day because I'm like, damn, I wasted 2 hours that I could have been,
Did they ever pick you up in a time of need?
No, that's the terrible part. I would get someone's back and they never had mine. Honestly, if you guys are ever in that situation, for a fact that you have a homie's back, but for a fact he doesn't have your back, do yourself the favor.
Cut them off.
Cut them off. Cut that bitch off.
No more one-sided friendships in 2024.
Or what we say in Spanish, a la verga.
What's one thing that you wish you could unlearn?
That I want to unlearn? Honestly, I want to unlearn that going to therapy is bad. Growing up, my parents would always say, going to therapy means you're crazy. It means you need help. It means you're not normal. So I would always that's how I would always image things, And as I grew older, I started having more friends that were in therapy, and I would always see them as crazy. I was like, damn, what's their issue? I hope they're okay. What type of fucking shit are they going through? Are they stupid? Are they crazy? Are they dealing with some sort of trauma? In reality, I'm in therapy, and honestly, it's helped gradually in my growth, in my well-being, most importantly, quality of life. Shout out to my therapist because, man, without her, I would still be stupid.
I don't know. I need to see my therapist regularly because, when I get busy, I kind of curve her.
Really?
I won't respond for a week.
Dang.
But I told her I'm seeing you because I'm stressed.
Yeah.
I was like, I have a lot going on, so I may not always respond. She's like, you need it. And I'm like, I know, but I need to get my money up if I want to afford you still.
You pay out of pocket?
Well, yeah, I pay monthly.
Oh, damn. Well, see, that's the thing. Honestly, guys, if you guys have access to a therapist, take advantage of it because everyone needs therapy. Everybody can benefit from therapy. If you guys have that mindset of going to therapy is terrible, going to therapy means you're crazy, you're crazy. You're stupid because, man, let me tell you, therapy has helped.
It's like your verbal journal.
Exactly. To this day, it's been about almost 2 years with my therapist. I'm more connected with myself, who I am, and you know, with that being said, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing with my life. And I would say, thanks to my therapist, you know, she's providing me all the tools, the guidance that I need to, like, you know, make my way there. It's kind of sad that growing up, we thought about going to therapy would be crazy. But in reality,
now it's just so normalized. People are like, hey, I'm Jennie, I'm bipolar. I'm not bipolar, but like as an example. Or they'll be like, hey, I'm Lisa, I have ADD. Normalized now. It's like now you don't bat it. Now you're just like, oh, okay, that's cool.
hey, I'm Mark, I have BDS, you know.
Wait, what's that?
Big dick syndrome.
Oh.
Got him.
Oh my fucking god!
I've told I've told my
I
therapist
hope your
this.
therapist sees this.
Well, actually, yeah, my therapist actually told me if you say that one more time, because I actually make jokes with her. If you say that one more time, I'm gonna drop you as a client. I'm like, yes, ma'am. Yes,
She's
ma'am.
like, you're just coping to mask your trauma at this point, Mark.
Yeah, I have a long way to go before I actually like
see the road to redemption.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe I have a long way to go to, like, you know, self heal and probably leave. It's gonna be a cool minute for me to leave my therapist because, man, I have like almost 20 years of trauma that I still need to you know, address.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah, but I'm okay. I'm okay. I promise. So far, so good.
He's not that crazy, guys.
Just kidding.
Well, guys, tell us if you're currently in therapy and if it's helped you and if you see a difference. Also, let us know, what would you like to unlearn? Are you also a people pleaser? Do you struggle with setting boundaries? We'd like to know. So for now, like, comment, and subscribe.
And until then, this has been
another episode of Chicks,
Dicks, and Icks. See you guys.
See ya.
I'm going crazy.